Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Nest Cam with Google Home app easy tutorial. Begin by unboxing your Google Nest Cam and locating all the components. Ensure your smartphone is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Download and install the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Tap the plus icon located at the top left corner of the home screen. Select Set Up Device from the menu. Choose New Device to start the setup process. Select your home or create a new one if prompted. The app will begin searching for available devices. Once your Nest Cam appears on the list, tap on it to connect. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan the QR code displayed on the camera. Ensure the camera is plugged in and powered on. Connect your camera to your Wi-Fi network by entering the password when prompted. Once connected, the app will confirm that your camera is set up. Customize the camera settings as desired, including notifications and recording options. Position your Nest Cam in your desired location, ensuring it's within the Wi-Fi range. Use the app to adjust the camera's angle and view. Tap Done to save your settings and finish the installation process. Your Google Nest Cam is now successfully installed and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.